My name is Seb Patane and I'm an artist based in London. I moved to London from Italy about 28 years ago. Early on, I almost kind of accidentally found myself taking a one-year art course, and before I knew it, I had done a degree and then a master's in fine art. I've always been making bits of art, especially drawing, when I was young, but I never imagined this would become my life and my work. My practice includes many media, like sculpture, installation, video and sound. However, drawing is always somehow at the core of the practice and the medium I get back to in moments of change, of experimentation, or even crisis. I like drawing because I find it freeing. In a sense, it gives you, indeed, freedom of experimentation without the parameters set by other media. Drawings can be seen as sketches or ideas, or they can be more fully formed pieces, or both really. Also, in a way, I see drawing as quietly subversive, almost like an act of protest. The bored school kid doodles during lessons. We draw on a piece of paper whilst on a long phone conversation. Drawing can also be a little magical because it comes from the subconscious, and that's a notion that I really like. The drawing in the Pushin Paper exhibition is part of a series that I started in 2003 and carries on to this day. There are pictures taken from Victorian theatre magazines which I collect and onto which I draw or make intervention, sometimes with paint and collage, but mostly with ballpoint pen. I like the juxtaposition between old and new, the animate and the inanimate. Kind of creates something new all the time for me. Again, covering people's faces can be seen as irreverent, but actually for me it's an homage to these images I really like. And mainly is an act of customization which aims to transfer ideas of figuration into abstraction. Because I can never really decide which one of those things I like most, so I try and mix the two. My drawings can take me a while to finish, but during lockdown there weren't not many distractions, so I just really got on with it and got quite inspired actually. The advice I would give to a young artist would be to, do your own thing. Don't do work because you think it's fashionable or easy or because you think it will please people, because that won't work. Just do what you really feel it's you, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there, to open up, to tell your story. And sometimes you will fail, other times you will succeed, but in any case, it will always be you and always be your true self. And that's all I can say, really.